What's up guys, it's Adam. In today's video, I am going to be doing my first unboxing video. Here it is. Now, I actually already opened it up, but right when I saw what was inside of it, I immediately stopped because I knew I had to share it with you guys. Because I wouldn't have this box if it wasn't for you guys, and I cannot thank you guys enough. So, without further ado, let's open it. So the first thing we have is a letter. Here we go. I'll just put this down real quick. Dear Adam.Puns, you are bigger than an anthill. You are bigger than 2 anthills. Adam.Puns, you are even bigger than 3 anthills. 100 subscribers. Maybe you imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you never thought you'd be so average. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, that your voice speaks to 100 people across your county. We know that being able to touch the lives of like 3 people, 4 tops, is reward enough. But we are incredibly proud of all you've done. So, we hope that you'll accept this cardboard play button as a token of our esteem. With your track record, we suspect you are only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 101 subscribers. It may seem far away, but remember the day when someone other than your mom was subscribed to you? You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You are the inspiration for 3 people, 4 tops. Sincerely, Barack Obama, CEO of YouTube. You guys, this means so much to me, you have no idea. But I know y'all don't care about all these words. You want to see the button. So here it is. Bam. You guys, check it out. There's the button. It says, congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers. There's my YouTube name, Adam.Puns. You guys, honestly, just, you know. Thank you guys so much. This means so much. Okay, well, I started this channel like 6 months ago, you guys. I think it was like December of last year, maybe January of this year. You guys, this means so much to me. Thank you. We made it, guys. We made it. No, I'm just playing. I made this, like, it's fun. Okay. Wow, that's pretty cool. I didn't know you made it. Totally thought Barack Obama, the CEO of YouTube, totally sent that to you. He did. As always. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next week.